Hey everyone, Yui here, back with another unboxing video, this time Bakugan Battle Planet Ventus Lupitheon. One of the 4 we're going to be unboxing that was found at, Burlington. So yeah, we've been finding Bakugan at Burlington, a lot of Year 1 stuff, some Armor Alliance stuff, but hey, some of this is very hard to find, like this is stupid expensive on Amazon. And only $5 versus like, I think 28 is what I last saw on Amazon. It's ridiculous. But yeah, you got Lupitheon there. Honestly, I just need Tertonium Ultra and Ventus, and we got all of Wynton's Season 1 Bakugan. I mean, I have cores, so close enough. But you got the cores there. And you got your product shots on the back. Level 2 to close. You got your 2 cores, your 1 ability card, 1 character card. And the rest of the wave kind of blocked there by the sticker. So yeah, let's rip them open. Now the rest of these are mine to keep if you saw the Baku clip videos, which will be going up before this anyways, so yeah, but these are mine. Mine. Got your check sheet and shows how to close. Also the toy battling game rules, but we don't need that. Ah! Everything's exploding. It's all gone wrong. Oh right, these aren't taped. Yep, you do have a plastic strip on you. Come on. Find a way to do this that I don't feel like I'm gonna scratch up Lupitheon. There we go. Okay, where's the... Is the strap still on you? No, it, I guess, fell somewhere. Oh well. I'll find it later. But here is Lupitheon out of the box, ready to, karate chop. Ready to fight 500B. And let's get him closed up. I've only closed the Lupitheon once, doesn't mean I remember how. No, that's simple. Legs, arms, head, push them in. There we go. That lovely Alto Brontes disease that Ultras have. There's Lupitheon in his ball form. It's like, don't you dare open. Whoop, okay, there that goes. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the cores first. Got, I mean, we already saw them, so the shield, normal shield, plus 200B, and the helix that is minus 200B and minus 2 damage. So, decent trap. Okay, for the action card, we got Ventus shield, 2 energy cost, minus 200B and minus 2 damage. Pretty normal. Still good in a sense if you use it just right. Character card, Helix Shield, Lupitheon Ultra, 500B and 3 damage. Not bad. Not bad. Get on a good, like, Magic Shield or Helix. Okay, let's see. Where is your arrow? There it is. Oh, yep. Don't try and open. Okay. See, a magnet is like right there. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Well, okay. He opened, just didn't get that flip. I'm gonna try one more time, see if I can maybe get the flip to happen. Come on, you closed so easily that first time there. Okay. Let's try going opposite of the arrow. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Nope! Okay, let's try going in the direction of the arrow again. Not as fast. And hey, there we go. Nice flip. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check out the links down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!